right, coming out of the elevator, 6 a.m. Get day started here, get the mail, see who's at the office ready to roll. And no one yet. It's all right. Let's get going. All right, like I said, it's Wednesday. Here's what's shaking for today. So we got that Jackson Hole Summit kicking off tomorrow, 2-day summit. Fed Chairman Powell speaks on Friday. Light volumes in the overnight session. Yet again, stock market's flat. Oil flat after 2 massive days, sitting above $67 a barrel. We're seeing that dollar perk back up, seeing gold move lower, finding ourselves in a bit of a holding pattern ahead of this 2-day meeting. So that being said, you got to remain on the ready. We saw it the other day with the vaccine approval. You never know what's going to come out, what the risk event's going to be. If you weren't paying attention on Monday, when that news came out on the COVID vaccine FDA approval, you would have missed out on some big moves, most notably in oil. So always be ready. Doesn't matter if it's slow. There's always something going on in the world that could shake up any number of markets, whether that's FX, stock market, or commodities. All right, folks, 2 big days coming up. Let's get ready, strap in. Let's have a great day today. I'll see you tomorrow.